for us every single year. And this one has been so popular in the past that we've wound up picking up one for ourselves and one for gifting. So this is K49168. This is the Temp-tations set of 4 mini loaf pans with the gift boxes. These are stoneware. Each loaf pan is 12 ounces. And with just a little cello, with just a little personalization, you can give a beautiful gift and they'll use it year after year after year. Now, you're getting 4 storage covers with each one of the loaf pans, and you're getting 4 gift boxes. However, they're dishwasher safe, microwave safe, refrigerator safe, freezer safe, oven safe to 500 degrees, and this size will fit in a lot of your air fryers too. So if you think that this is a good one for just you to have, or a good one to have with you and a loved one maybe, this is a great set to pick up today. Let me show you your options. We have 2 remaining because more than 134,000 have already been picked up. So to say it's popular is a bit of an understatement. Here is your set of 4 that we are calling Holiday. So up top, we've got poinsettia. You get 1 in poinsettia. You also get one in that pretty holiday that has the motif on the outside and has the motif on the inside. Here is the whimsy, where you get the fun characters from Temp-tations. Adorable. And then you have the festive fetty that's got the red and the green there, along with the pattern that we love from Temp-tations. Here it is in Polka Dot. Look how cute. It just looks like somebody threw confetti at your table. Always popular, always happy. You get 1 in pink, 1 in gray, 1 in teal, and 1 in eggplant. So 2 options for you, Holiday and Polka Dot. Each comes with a snap-on lid, and each comes with its own gift box or storage box. K49168, $19.72. It's less than $5 per gift. So look, just a little cello, just a little decoration, and you are ready to go for so many people. But my friend Lisa Lasorte, who is the merchandising and broadcasting VP at Temp-tations and also a dear, dear friend, is joining us again this morning. Hello, Lisa.
Mary, it's so great to see you again. And I love everything about this set. You know, we call them our mini loaf pans, Mary, but as you know, they are so mighty because 12 ounces in capacity, great for portion control, great for individual side dishes, great for gifts. But what makes me smile and what will make you smile about this is the gorgeous detail of the hand painting on the inside or the outside. Mary, I love what you're showing right there. The inside of our holiday collection, that iconic Christmas tree. If you picked up the app set that we presented earlier, you'll see that Temp-tations is a family of colors and patterns. So feel free to mix and match, but you will have a consistent collection. So there's that beautiful holiday. And then the next one that we have, Mare, I think is that winter whimsy in the holiday.
Yes.
With those happy little characters all around the dish, but there's our gingerbread man right on the inside. So what's great about it is when you look at this from the outside, it's beautiful. And then when you finish eating, you're like, wait, what is that at the bottom?
Ta-da!
Ta-da! So pretty.
I know, they're so cute.
They're just so cute. We have our festive fetty. The fact that you get 4 loaf pans, 4 snap-on storage covers, and the gift box included, like $5 your gift, Mary, you're speaking my language.
I know. Now you're talking. Now you're talking. I've got the neighbors covered. I've got my cousins covered. I got all my friends covered. But you know what? We've got lots of options here. How about a little bake for 2, little morning frittata?
I love that. It's our wheel of food. If you're thinking 12 ounces, exactly. If you're thinking 12-ounce capacity, what exactly can I do? Let us give you some ideas. That frittata is just amazing. Next door to it in that pink polka dot, and polka dots make you smile anyway, but so does an ice cream sundae, right?
Yes, it does. It always does. How about putting out a little snack mix?
I love that. You know, we're eating so casually now. The fact that these go in the oven up to 500 degrees, microwave, refrigerator, freezer safe, and nothing says happiness like a bacon wrapped meatloaf.
Now you're talking. I mean, that
Exactly.
right there, that's a moment right there. I mean, buckle up, y'all. There's breakfast.
Exactly. And then, Mary, right next to that is the mac and cheese.
Oh, hello.
So now think about this as actually replacing your dinnerware.
Yeah.
Because it's a set of 4, this could actually be dinner for 2.
Just a little portion control, but it still bakes up so beautifully. Speaking of baking up beautifully, look at this bread.
Yes, all stoneware is naturally nonstick, so it's going to pop right out of there. But again, this is all about the presence, the elegance on your table with all the functionality included at an amazing value. Mayor, we are retiring the set,
Got it.
so definitely pick up your fave pattern or color. Yogurt parfait.
Thank
I'm gonna
you.
have one as soon as we're finished.
Hello, we baked a little cake in here. Could serve 2 or 3.
I
looks
love
like
that, and Mary,
Santa's sleigh.
you can make it yourself, right?
Yeah,
You know,
absolutely.
we can't always get to the
Absolutely.
bakery anymore. Look at our little gingerbread man there, smiling, so happy.
Now, more than 400 have been ordered this morning. Folks are picking up more than one set. Let me show you both options that are remaining, because as you heard Lisa and I talking about, if you're tuning in now, the price tag is what stopped me. This is stoneware. Just to give you a little tink, 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 tink so you can hear it. Each one has a snap-on lid. Each one comes with a gift or a storage box. Here is your holiday choice. You get one in poinsettia. You get one with the cute whimsical characters, including the gingerbread down at the bottom. You also get the holiday choice with this same motif on the inside, and you get the festive fetty in that red and green in the old world pattern. Now, let's slide on over to Polka Dot, because this one, not just for the holiday season, these are colors that folks can use year round. So here it is. You get one in pink, one in gray, one in teal, and one in eggplant. Now, the clearance price for the set of 4 with the lids and the boxes is $19.72. It's less than $5 a gift, but these have already been so popular. These are already an In the Kitchen with Mary Hall of Famer, because they always fly out the door when they're in our show. But this is also an availability to pick them up on Easy Pay and pick up more than one set. So when it comes to shopping for the holiday season, this is your stop to have. And Lisa Lessort, thank you for having these in the show this morning. You know we love our loaf pans.
Oh, Mary, so great to see you.
Great to see you too. Miss you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, my friend. You know what? Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Can I step over here for a second and do my stretches? Because this is In the Kitchen with Mary. Just to give you all a little heads up. Whew. Okay, you got to stretch out your quads. You got to get your hammies and your back all ready to go, because let me tell you about 2 big offers that